girl Nini and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a human hair wig option from Amazon and I'm so excited to get into it. I've already done the prep work from wash to style on my Amazon live stream. So if you guys want to see all of the prep work that I did to this wig, make sure that you click the link in the description to watch my Amazon live stream after you watch this video. Everything that I'm going to go over, including the wig, all the products that I'm wearing, my outfit and my makeup, will be in the description of this video if you guys are interested in the direct links. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Y'all know I love a headband wig, and that is the main construction of this wig today. I love the ease and low maintenance of headband wigs, and I'm excited to bring you guys another one. This one is a natural density in my opinion. It also is a highlight wig. It's giving like piano highlight vibes, and it's just easy and low maintenance to style. My overall goal for this wig is to give it some messy curls so they can fall throughout the day and still give the wig some body. Using a new flat iron, this one that I got on Amazon, and we're going to add some curls together. After we add the curls, I am going to give you guys a 360 and let you know the pros and cons of this wig. So let's go ahead and start styling. All right, queens, let's get into those pros and those cons. So the first pro of this wig is that it did take the heat well. I didn't have any issues with it like burning or anything like that. So that is a good sign. The second pro to this wig is just something that I really like, which is the highlights. In this wig, I think that this color is different than a lot of the human hair wigs that I have, and I think it adds a little bit of spiciness to it because it's not just one of my regular colored wigs like a 2 or a 4. This has a really cute highlight to it, which I think blends really well with my natural hair color. Another pro is that this wig was super low maintenance. I really didn't have issues with shedding or tangling, which is always a plus. Now, as for the cons, I do have one con. It's not a con for me, but it may be a con for you, so I do want to let you know about it. And that is that with this wig being on the more natural density side of things, in my opinion, it may feel a little bit thin to those who are used to thicker haired wigs. If you're used to like 180%, 200% density wigs, this may feel on the thinner side to you. Now for me, I really like this density. To me, it feels more like a natural hair density, like what you may have in an actual person's hair. Not super thick, not thin, but definitely not thick and like super full. With it being the summer months where I live at and it being very warm, I think that this is a great density for me, not only for summer but also going into fall. But like I said, if you're the type of person who really likes a thick full wig, this may feel a little bit on the thinner side to you. So as you guys saw me styling it, the flat iron that I used was the Remington flat iron from Amazon. There are similar flat irons, so if you want the specific direct link to the one that I use, again, it's in the description of this video. I think that it curled the hair so well for me to have used a flat iron. These curls look really, really good. I've used that flat iron before to curl around the holiday time last year, and it had my hair looking so good. So I definitely do recommend that flat iron if you're looking for one that you can use as a straightener and as a curling iron. Also, you guys saw me using that hair wax stick. I love using it to handle flyaways and just stubborn hairs that don't want to lay down. This wig specifically didn't have a ton of flyaways, but it did help smooth everything out like it normally does. I use it on synthetic and human hair wigs, and it definitely worked well in this case. All right, you guys, so if I were to give this wig an overall rating, I would have to give it a 10 because I really don't have any major cons, and it looks pretty good on your girl, so I'm very happy about it. I like that it's a subtle add of color, but it's still calm enough to be able to wear it to work or something in a more serious setting, but also I can use it for play as well, like if I'm going to lunch or just going out for the day on the town. So you guys, this is your chance to sound out in the comments. Let me know if this wig is a yes or no, and would you try it? Again, the links to everything that I used and that I'm wearing is in the description of this video if you guys are interested. I love you queens so much. I want to take this time to thank you guys so much for still tuning into my channel and for really being engaged. I really appreciate every single one of y'all, and I look forward to reading you guys' comments and talking to you in a new video very, very soon. Bye guys.